Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change who can add you as a friend on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, to change who can add you as a friend on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that, when you scroll down a little bit of the screen, you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on there and you will see the settings appear over here. Tap on settings again, and now you will need to scroll down a little bit and you can see the how people find you and contact you under the category audience and visibility over here. Tap over there, and now you can see who can send you friend requests over here. Tap on there. Now currently it's on everyone, but if you don't want to receive friend requests from everyone on Facebook, just tap on the friends of friends, and only your friends of friends will be able to send you friend requests on Facebook. And there guys, this is how you change who can add you as a friend on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.